Welcome to Sightseeing Tube Channel. Today I will take you to a new video from the heart of New York. Tonight we'll dive into the Halloween vibes in the city that never sleeps and see how people celebrate with spooky and creative costumes in the streets. Let's get started. One of the best things about Halloween celebrations in New York is the incredible costumes. Here you can see all kinds, from scary and creepy to funny and fantastic. Each person expresses themselves in their own unique way, as if it's a contest of creativity and fright. During Halloween, New York's streets turn into a world of both horror and delight. Decorations are everywhere, from glowing jack-o'-lanterns to skeletons and giant spiders, creating a unique atmosphere throughout the city. And it's not just costumes and decorations, there are live performances that make the celebration even more exciting. We see music bands playing eerie tunes, people doing costume dances in the streets, making it feel like you're in a fun horror movie. You can see the love for Halloween in everyone's eyes, each sharing in their own way. Let's ask a few people why they love this celebration and the stories behind their costumes. One person says, "I love Halloween because it's the one time we can be anything we want, and I enjoy the spooky and funny atmosphere." It was a night full of fun and excitement here in New York. The joyful vibes, the amazing costumes, and everyone sharing in this celebration with so much enthusiasm. Halloween is a chance to laugh, enjoy the spirit of fun with a hint of fright. Hope you enjoyed our tour. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any new content. Happy Halloween to everyone, and see you soon on our next tour.